Light Combat Helicopter, LCH, was proposed to meet IAF's requirement of a dedicated light helicopter for combat operations. LCH's maximum possible commonality with LH. LCH with a narrow fuselage has pilot and co-pilot gunner in tandem configuration incorporating a number of stealth features, arm protection, night attack capability and crash-worthy landing gear for better survivability. The major features of LCH are glass cockpit, crash-worthy bottom structure, crash-worthy fixed tricycle type with tailwheel landing gear, canted flat panels for lower the cross-section, integrated dynamic system, hinge-less main rotor, bearing-less tail rotor, anti-resonance isolation system, integrated architecture and display system, IEDS, IR suppressor, counter-measuring dispensing system, CMDS, AO-pod, helmet-mounted display system, a new suite, 20 mm gun, 70 mm rocket and missiles, air-to-air missiles, ATAM, air-to-ground missiles, ATGM, technical parameters, MTOW, 5,800 kilograms, max speed, 268 kmph, range, 550 kilometers, servicing, 6.5 kilometers, oblique climb rate, 12 meters per second, power plant, Shakti engine, 2 no, power is 1032 kilowatts.